Yo, what it do, man? Oh, I was gonna share this later, but I figured I do it now. Sorry if there's an echo. We're back, man. Sorry, I'm kind of in the toilet right now. I am in the toilet right now. And some nigga walked in, so yeah. Initially, like I said, I marked my levels from up here and down here, but I'm like, nah, bro, that's the wrong way to mark it up. Because then I see where my mistake went. It says, you see how I marked it up now? So I basically marked it up like this. Like, let me just say bias. And it says I'm on the 15 minute, so don't worry about that. So yeah, I marked it up like this, and then price moved up. So I'm like, okay, I'm expected to come back down and move back up, but it didn't, and that's because I marked on the wrong levels. So you see how things are leveled up now. So there's a level of buyers here sitting here pushing price up, and there's a level of sellers sitting here pushing price down. So price is moving up and down here. This was like yesterday's. This was yesterday. After price was trickling, and you see like price didn't really do much yesterday. Remember I took that trade, oh, I showed that mark trade yesterday, but then it only moved down a bit after it broke this level, then came back up. So it was kind of ranging, so it was kind of setting up for today actually. So that's one of the things I realized, that price won't always set you up every day. It will set you up probably for the next day or the day after that. So we had that big push the Tuesday, sorry. So actually the Monday, let's look at the Monday. The Monday had nothing planned for us. You see, it was just ranging. Okay, these are TP profits for today's setup, but anyway, if I had marked it like this, see, price wasn't really doing much. It was just setting up. So we had buyers sitting here and sellers sitting here because price moved here, pushed price up, moved down here, pushed price up. Then it broke that level. If you can see that here, if I just mark it up quickly. So I'll just mark it on the wick. So you see it had that level here. This is in the 15 minute. So it had that level here indicated, then started ranging a bit. Then come that volume during London session yesterday, price shot down. Like I explained, it shot down. Then yesterday, it wasn't doing much. It was just ranging, setting up price for today. So you see it was playing here around this area. Um, yeah, there's a level of seller sitting here, buyer sitting here. Then come the next shit or the next day, prices shot up, indicated here. Then it was okay, like okay, damn, and there's a gap here. So I should have just checked that probably, but I see that, oh, okay, no, I should have marked on these levels. Then it moved down a bit, corrected, then closed above that level. I would have entered on this candle, wouldn't have seen any drawdown. This is like an A plus setup, and then yeah, price just moved up. And if I closed here, let me just bring it down, it would have been a 1 to 5 8 6, a 1 to 5, a 1 to 6 trade, which is like fucking good because I wouldn't have seen any drawdown, number one. It's just my uncle calling, but yeah, that's the trade basically. I hope the camera's better now because yesterday it was cutting like my top half of my or top part of my head, so you couldn't really see me. Anyway, what's up, man? What's up? We getting consistent with these. Gotta get consistent. Gotta remain consistent. You know. I hope this thing charged. Oh yeah, it did. That's a good thing. Yeah, man. So I think I can't get it. What was my topic for today's video? What was I trying to cover today? I kind of forgot. It'll come back to me. But yeah, I was trades and analyzing in the morning. That was the first part of the video. Damn, I don't know how to speak now. And breaking down German 30. I actually kind of, like I said, I didn't really analyze properly. And I realized that yesterday, if price moves hectic today, for example, chances are the next day it's not going to really move. It's just going to be setting you up for the other day, like it did today. Like I almost analyzed wrong. I should have set my levels where buyers and sellers are. I should have remembered that where price was bouncing off, there was a zone, there's no trade zone, and then it indicated above. And so I think price is on an uptrend now, or it's reversing, but it's uptrend on the 15 minutes. I need to check it on the 1 hour. Actually, let me check it on 1 hour. I can check it here. I don't know why I'm not thinking about it right now. Yeah, there it is. So price is playing around these levels. Moved up here, moved down, buy is here. It's 15 minute, right? And then it indicated. I hope this. I don't know if this is. Nah, it's not. Okay, let me close it and then reopen it again. Oh, like I don't know, but like analyzing on the laptop seems so much better, bro. Like, oof, it feels like I don't know, man. It feels just so much better. Like on the phone, it's cool because it's on the go and stuff, and I have to use it because I can't bring my laptop everywhere. That's how I want to invest in an iPad. I'm getting an iPad, bro. But for now, the laptop seems so much good, bro. I feel like I'm in a lab, bro. Like I'm professional trader. I feel like I am who I want to be already when I'm analyzing on the laptop. I don't usually do it on the laptop, but it feels so much better on the laptop, bro. I don't know why I haven't been doing it. Oh, so price did move up. Shit, damn, I could have held it for even longer, but I'm waiting for this thing to update, bro. What the fuck? Oh, okay. But why is it not showing my indicators, bro? Unless it's still updating. Okay, there you go. NAS is fine. Gemma 30, I don't know what's going on with it, to be honest. And I want to kind of go over. Damn, I could have held this for even longer. But I'm getting off topic. I'm getting off topic, bro. But anyway, yeah. So price was playing around these levels, and then it indicated, then it corrected during Asian session, and then boom, bro, came London session and just pushed up, bro. Like these are such easy setups, bro. Easy setups, even with gold, bro. Like even Sai like, bro. That's today was just basically free money, bro. Like there's no way that you didn't understand what's going on today, bro. And it's like, damn, bro, like for real, because it indicated, made a low, corrected, indicated another low, then it was coming back down here, and then boom, bro. Like there was a setup, easy and clean, bro. I saw the setup a while back, bro. So yeah, man. I guess basically you just gotta like take 2 to 3 trades a week, and you're good, bro. Because you know when you take those trades, you risk not full margin, but like you go in with like a proper risk. You know that your risk to reward is gonna be crazy. You're gonna make so much bank, bro. So I'm slowly getting into the psychology side of it, especially now I'm being off markets, just like recouping, strategizing, being tactical, and all that stuff. So I really like that, bro. I really like that. I really like that. So like it's kind of like not impossible, but I'm just glad that I'm seeing these things before like um I actually go back in the markets with like real money. So it's like playing around these levels, playing around these levels. I like that. I like that. Indicated, corrected, bro. I would have had like I wouldn't even and I noticed today I wouldn't have even been in drawdown. That's how crazy it is, you know. Why won't this thing work, bro? Like this thing works when it wants to, bro. Honestly, and it's like, bro, I can't keep up with you right now. But it is what it is. So yeah, man, I just listen to a lot of these psychology videos, and it's like there's gonna be a point where I gotta go full time, bro. It's gonna be scary because I'm just gonna be taking money from the markets at first, and then like start getting side hustles and stuff. And yeah, man, it is kind of scary, bro. Like I won't lie, it's kind of scary. Like knowing that, bro, there's gonna become a point where I have to go full time with this, and I'm ready for it, bro. Like to be honest, mentally I'm okay. I know what I want and know where I want to be, so this shouldn't feel like um a stretch, like us, like for example today you just take 2 to 3 trades a week and you're good, bro. Like you don't need to trade every single day. Like tomorrow price is probably gonna set me up for another like trade, and might not move as hectic as it did on Tuesday and Thursday. So I guess Tuesdays and Thursdays are times I really wanna depending on how the setup is. Like today's setup was clean, bro. It was clean. German 30 and gold, man. I don't really check nasdaq and US 30. I want to check those now. But yeah, man, the psychology side is really important, bro. Like I'm really working on that now. I'm not really trying to chase everything, every single movement, bro. Because like every move is a move. Like yesterday would have been a bad day to trade. I would have probably lost. But the less trades that you take, the longer I'm in the game and the more money I make, because I'm not exposing myself to the markets like that. And that's the type of timing I'm trying to be on. There has never been. That's like the type of there will never be. That's the type of timing I'm trying to be on, bro. So yeah, man. And also like another thing, like today I was tempted, bro. Like I won't lie. Like really, like I was so tempted to do something I didn't want to do in terms of my life and trading. And I feel like trading, when they say trading shows you yourself, it's like, bro, am I impulsive like that? Like, and I don't want to be that, you know? So at first yesterday, I almost gave in to doing something I didn't want to do. I'll break it down like in future, but luckily I did not do that. Like I just, like, you know, let me just come home, bro, because I wouldn't have been able to make this video. I wouldn't have been able to like recap on the today's movements and stuff, and I wouldn't have been able to lock in because I'm really just trying to lock in, bro. I'm not trying to do anything else aside from locking in, bro, because yeah, man, like I'm trying to shed the old me and become the new me right now, bro. Like I gotta be a new character for this, bro. Like it just showed me I can't be my old self if I want to make it in trading, bro. Like everything is just correlating with myself, the way I think about things and how I want to move. It's like I guess eventually those things will get there, but like I just gotta focus on what I need right now, and also like bringing God into it, bro. Like God is really just like he's just yo, bro. Like, he's just really helping me and walking with me on this path, bro. Because I ain't trying to go back, bro. I'm not trying to be in the same position I was last year, and I know for a fact I'm nowhere near. There we go. Now it's showing my charts properly. Like I'm nowhere near the person I was last year, bro. Like I'm way ahead of myself, and I'm so glad to be where I'm at right now, bro. Like, yo, you don't understand, bro. I'm still gonna make mistakes, but I don't wanna make bad. I wanna get rid of these bad habits, bro. Like dead ass, bro. Dead ass, dead ass, dead ass. Like I'm just glad that I am at this point in my life. Yeah, the charts are looking much better now. Much better. I should want to delete, bro. What the fuck? There we go. Okay, cool. So yeah, man, I'm just glad I saw these trades, bro. Like, yo, I was even like testing it out, like in terms of money. If I'd risked like 80K, I would have made $500,000, bro. 80K, $500,000. That's fucking bizarre, bro. But we'll get there, man. And it's kind of crazy. I did that before watching Zai's video and saying like you're gonna have to scale up eventually because you're gonna have this money from the markets and you're gonna see a proper setup and you're just gonna have to take it, bro. Like, I also think I'm not gonna open gang positions. I'd rather just open like two of like big lot sizes and then close the one. Because if I had opened two one positions, bro, making half, I would have made $1 million like in a second, bro. And like I'm trying to be on that level where I'm making 300,000, 200,000 trades, bro. Not obviously 20Ks, 10Ks are gonna be like the first, but then I'm gonna build that up, bro. And then eventually just scales like, bro, okay, I've been doing this. Like I'm just gonna risk this 80K, make $500,000, make $1 million in like 2 minutes, and like just shake the game up, bro. Especially the trading game in SA, bro. Like be like, I mean, these traders make like what 50K, like 60K. That's cool. I don't know anyone I don't really follow people in SA like that. And my mind is on like overseas, bro. Like people who are like, yo, bro, like size just be making millions, bro. Like it's nothing, dog. In a matter of minutes or even days, bro. Like 2 days he'll make $1 million. I don't know what. So that's the type of timing I want to be on, bro. Like just have a bigger risk appetite, but take quality A+ setups like today, like gold, German 30, simple pairs, bro. Make my million in the morning. I'm done, bro. I don't need to trade US 30. I don't need to trade nasdaq, gold maybe, like gold easy setup, like gold. I think US 30 and nasdaq are in limbo. They're not in a nice place, a place where I'd want to trade. Like, what time was this? This was today, right? Nah. Okay, maybe, but I wouldn't have known where it wanted to. Yeah, this is like, I wouldn't have known where it wanted to go, bro. Okay, this is the 15 minute, right? Yeah, half past, and just started pushing up. I'm checking the 5 minute. I don't know. This kind of price action was kind of shitty. I wouldn't have traded this. I wouldn't have known where it wanted to go. Maybe I would have, but nah, bro. Bro, get the fuck out of my face. Because of the 15 minute. Oh, it's this one. Then I had a breakout. Maybe I would have traded this. Maybe, but nah, bro. Because yeah, this wasn't. Yeah, this wasn't good price action. I don't see any setup there, if I'm being honest. And Nasdaq's even worse, bro. Oh, this is on the 1 hour. I mean, price is on the uptrend. I get that, but I don't see it doing anything. I mean, it's above a level and it is making high highs and high lows. So I guess I would just been looking for entries but nah, I wouldn't have traded this. If I'm being honest, I didn't see any setup. I only saw a setup proper on German 30 and gold. So yeah, I probably wouldn't have traded those. But I'm just glad that I'm seeing that. Yeah, I wouldn't have taken this. I wouldn't have taken this either. So yeah, bro. Like, you just want to be in these type of trades, bro. Just seeing A+ setups, and I'm starting to like see that. Nah, I don't see any setups here, bro. But distinguishing between the good setups, A+ setups, and bad setups is just golden, bro. It's just golden, 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 bro. Because it indicated, London session, or prior to London session, Asia session, and then picked up, and then obviously we're gonna drop to New York. So yeah, I'm just pretty good. Man. I'm just pretty stoked at the path that I'm on. Showing up every day, checking the charts, and also building discipline within myself. And praying to God that I'm gonna pray to God like, yo, bro, please just help me. Bro, sorry. I'm not supposed to call him bro. But talk to God and be like, amen, like, not amen, but you know what I mean. Like, yo, please, like, help me with this problem that I have. And I just wanna lock in and stop focusing on women, bro. Women are just distracted, but I'm trying to really lock in. And it's kind of coming at a time where it's a double-edged sword in a way. I don't know if that's the right way to put it, but I'll explain in future. But yeah, I guess that's just the random thoughts I want to just share with myself. You're on the right path, bro. You're on the right path. I can feel my psychology shifting a bit, and I'm growing as a person. I'm just trying to see life through a different lens, clean the lens that I have, and just get a new one, and just see life in a different way, and not just, become a better person. Trading has definitely inspired me to become a better person, because I'm willing to sacrifice anything, bro. Like, for this, I'm locking in, bro. I don't need, like, bro, like, I shouldn't to speak to my uncle, but he did say it's okay, with dates and time to go and see him, and I'm trying to save money here and there when I go to Travis Scott. I'm probably not gonna drink. I'll probably have like a drink or two, but ultimately I don't want to drink. I just want to have fun, enjoy the music, enjoy the vibe, and then come back and then hit it and get back to work, bro. Start saving for my account now, like, not even waste time, bro. Like, just start stacking up my capital, bro. Stack it up, stack it up, stack it up. Come April, March, end of March. Just enter more, bro. Just enter more trades. I mean, enter more trades. Enter more money, and enter my savings, and then just have capital to start trading with, bro. Like that's ultimately the goal. And then be risking like money and building it slowly, not over leveraging or over having big lots. Just start slowly, risk this much per trade, and I don't want to risk too much and find these A plus setups. But yeah, man, it was a good day today. Your boy's gonna hit the hay now. I'm gonna pray first, get in the bed, and yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Also, I already broke down the trade. I think I did, but let me just show you here on the phone. On the screen record because I already kind of screen recorded. Yeah, bro. So let me start with Gemini. So initially, like I said, I marked up on these levels, buyers and sellers indicated, and I'm like, nah, that's actually the wrong way to mark it up. I should have marked it up here with those hella buyers and sellers at first yesterday. So the price was playing around this area. I could even just set it up here like this. So it was playing around this area, and then boom, 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 go up and down. Indicated in the morning Asian session, bounced on this level, then corrected. Then come New York session, London session, and then boom, it just shot up. Easy. But I wouldn't have even seen drawdown because I would have entered on this 15-minute candle closure. You see, I don't know if you see it. This one would have entered on that one, and then yeah, bro, I would have been just okay. Wait, I would have been a little bit of drawdown, not too much. I should have said it like that. Sorry. Yeah, I should have said it like that. Yeah, I would have entered something like that, and then a little bit of drawdown, and then boom, price moved up clean, and then gold, same thing. It indicated this low, it corrected, indicated another low today, and moved up, and then come New York session, that shit just shot down, bro. Can I remove that? See, just shot down, bro. No drawdown, no nothing, bro. On that candle closure, I would have entered here, just at that, and then a little bit of drawdown maybe, and then just straight shoot, bro. Like proper sniper entries, bro. These are the type of setups I want all the time. But yeah, man, that's just basically the trade. Like I said, I didn't see anything on NASDAQ or gold. I probably would have still held my NASDAQ buys if it's gonna show. Yeah, these two are just re-entries. This is the first entry. Sorry, yo, bro, I would have held for like time, bro. Damn. When I was practicing, I would have held for long, bro. Fuck. Because price would have came down. If my psychology has to get to the point where I'm able to. I would probably would have closed maybe, or close partials and then just let the rest run. But yeah, I'm trying to get into these type of trades, bro. It just starts moving. Yeah, these are just pivot highs and lows. That's the indicator I use, but it's not much. And then yeah, today didn't really see anything proper. But yeah, so I realized price will set you up for the next day. So yeah, that's it.